Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, today topic, before I start, I beg, if you want to watch my video, more they put thumbs up for me, I beg. Now God I take beg go. Now they put thumbs up. You know easy. Thumbs up show say you like wetin I talk. I beg. Now they put thumbs up. Please and share my video. My people, when I remember that guy where eat Bobrisky for back of car that day. When I remember now, when he jam for bags, then they come begin the fight, all those things, you know. So I can't see where the video for internet, for social media, I can't see him when the guy say because wetin Bobrisky come do am, they come carry the boy go station, arrest him, everything. So the boy say before him be saying a woman, he no know say na man. Now when they come see I say na man though, what they call they say na Bobrisky na cause okay. So the way she tell, he said that the way Bobrisky tell run in mouth, now make him react the way he react, you know. So that one can pass. So they can say the guy must buy the phone because the guy smashed the phone for grand. So they say the guy must buy that phone, everything. So the guy can say okay, no problem. He can't even lie, say the phone wey Bobrisky get, he can't lie, say the one wey he get, even the one wey he tell the guy make the guy buy, he can't lie, say na that one that he get. Whereas the one wey he get, the one wey the boy can't buy, can't pass that one wey he get to Bobrisky. So the guy can't buy for him. As the boy buy the phone, so he now can't give the boy that wey he fair get. He can't be sure say he destroy everything for the phone so that the boy not go fit use them. Una dey see am. So the boy now come after the boy already buy the phone give him. So the boy he can't give the boy the one way he fed they use. Not no, he said the one when he give that boy that the boy not go fit even use them. Nothing. The boy said the phone now they useless for it and they not fit use them. He not fit do anything with the phone. Una dey see am, my people. So the boy now can't go back to police, tell them say, see what he happen. This phone now where Bobrisky give him, he no fit use him. So does it mean say in your money now and the one when you buy from a pass this one way Bobrisky give him? After I don't repair the car, because they buy the phone, give Bobrisky. Bobrisky can't give him phone, you know, say it already kaput him. Can't give the boy. So that's what Bobrisky do. So in do one way. So this boy now go report for police station. They not mind now. They tell him may arrest because he not get money. My people, why he be say people will not get money for Africa? They not get say again at all. They not get say. They not fit talk again. So does it mean that only rich people that then just get say for that Africa? So because this boy I don't see who help him, I don't see who talk for him now. All of them just boof this boy like that. Because Bobrisky get money, police people say make the guy just forget like that. You see him, my people. So who not get money now? You know if you talk again. So this boy cry out now say I beg. Make people help him. Because what did they do this guy not good? He not good. What did they do not good? He? So does it mean say who not get money now, not get say? He not fit talk. This boy cry out now. Maybe people make they help him. Because what the way that they treat him, me no good. They treat him because maybe the boy not get who go fight for him. Yeah. And what did they do be that one? And of which is not good. So the boy now cry come out for social media and I say make they help him. Because police people don't agree man. Because money not there. They don't go see money eat for the boy head. You see, I say the corruption don't go ever finish for Africa. If now Europe this thing for happen now, all those kind of things not go happen. It not go happen. But now, they want to make the matter just die like that. Make the guy just forget the phone like that. Forget everything. Okay, the one when he give that boy now, you don't go let the boy use. The one when you give the boy now, you don't go let the boy use. When they see life. So big, not only big people now you go feel the talk for Nigeria. So poor people, they don't get say. They cannot talk. They cannot, because nobody go help them. Nobody go believe them. Only people will get money. So what if Bobrisky do this guy and I go tell my people, you where they watch me and I go thing for what if Bobrisky do this guy now? So because he get money, then go fit talk to police. Police tell the guy, say make you forget the matter. Because even though you draw and go anywhere, they not go mind now. You see how? So what if happen to this guy go happen to another person? So it's better more now, make everybody, make they get up, make we help this boy. Make this boy see people see fight for him. Everybody just abandon the guy like that. Everybody, they just abandon the guy because he don't get say. Nobody to fight for him. Eh? Okay, Bobrisky, that's why you wicked. How you go even do that kind of thing to your fellow human being? You know, say this phone, where this boy buy for you, even pass the one where you forget. You come make sure say you destroy that one, can't give the boy. When you know say the boy, the thing not go let the boy use at all. You can't give that boy. Make the boy they use them. The boy now say the phone just kaput for his hand. Nothing use them, nothing. The phone just they like, you just they. That is, you know, go feel use them, nothing. Nothing they play for the phone. Eh? So what if Bobrisky do this guy now, my people? Now good thing or now bad thing. So if you disagree for what me talk, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Because what did this guy do now good thing? What did Bobrisky do now? Because now a guy will call you not be woman. You not be woman. God not create you woman. You be man. Eh? So what did Bobrisky do this guy now? Now good thing, my people. Me they ask you now good thing. So this video, I don't want just to do one long because I really feel for the guy. So I really just like, I feel for him. So that is why I say make I do this video, my people. So thank you everybody and take care till I come your way next time. I remember you one and only Lady J. Please share this video for me. Please just share this video. Really, I'm not there happy for what Bobrisky do this guy. You know, a guy will be say the manage. He says try by all means go buy that phone. Not be say that phone, Bobrisky not go feel bad, but he just choose to wicked the guy. But see the way the country treats the guy. You know, good, my people. So I just make I do this video. I just say talk, I beg. Maybe see, I beg when I me share them so that make you reach even that Bobrisky and for what you do this guy, you know, good. So thank you everybody and take care till I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.